Hey y'all, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can fix crashing and launching issues in Big Ambitions. So yeah. Okay, so also if you're new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe for more tutorials. I really appreciate if you subscribe. And I hope I have the right microphone here and everything works fine. Also, leave your feedback in the comments section. Let me know if the quality is good. I'll really appreciate that. I just changed some things. I just made some changes in the microphone settings. So I just changed something. So let me know if it's good, the quality is good. And now the first method to fix to ensure we don't have any crashing. And if you obviously you click on this video, so I guess you have crashing and launching issues. So to fix this problem, make sure you head over to Windows Update, and here you click on Advanced Options, and then here in optional updates you click on here and just check if there's any driver updates. And as you can see, I have a new update here, driver update, but I assume you have tons around 10 or more if you have a lot of updates here, because I know the last time I checked, or when the last time I checked, I know there were a lot of updates available here to download and install. So just make sure you check all of them and click on download and install. All right, and then now the next method is to ensure that you have Microsoft Visual C++. If you don't have this on your computer, most probably that's why this game is crashing. Big Ambitions is crashing, and you have problems like Wise. And yeah, make sure you click on download here and make sure you install. It's very easy. And then if you check, if you see if you have DirectX, this is what you need as well to run any game pretty much. So make sure you click on download if you don't have this on your computer. Just click on download here. It's very easy to install, and just click on download and install. Also, make sure you install all the updates using GeForce Experience. Click on check for updates here and install and check to see if there's any updates available. And if there are, make sure you install the latest updates. And now the next method is to make sure you go to Steam and go to the game, write Big Ambitions, right click on the game Big Ambitions, go to properties, and here in the game click on verify integrity of software files. This will check if there's any corrupted files inside the game folder, and it will help you to check and verify and solve all the issues, right? Also go to the game Big Ambitions and click on properties, click on compatibility, and make sure you run the game as administrator. Click on apply and OK, and also click on run this program in compatibility mode. And to go to the game, there's some options, two options, but the first one that I use most of the time. Just go to the Big Ambitions, right click, as you saw there, Big Ambition properties, and then go to local files and click on browse. And here this is gonna direct you to the location of the game. So yeah, it's very or also if you have the game on your desktop, just right click on that on the game and click on open file location. Now you can also go to device manager, and from here you can also check for updates. Click on computer, on display adapters, and here right click and select update driver, and that's another way. And also increase virtual. So right here, adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. Go to advanced, change, and here just calculate 1024 and multiply by the amount of RAM you have. If you have 60, write 60, and the result, you write the result here. You just pretty much you have to increase virtual memory. You can increase virtual memory. That's very important when it comes to crashing. And also when you start the game, guys. But now make sure after you finish watching this video, restart your computer. Then when you restart your computer and you open the game, make sure you go to the game. You go to set priority to high, alright? And that's the end of this video. I really hope this video helped you. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you're gonna have a fantastic day. Take care.